Yo, what is going on, friends? This is Ron from Optimize Effects, and you're watching the first video on trading robots with cryptocurrency. And this is a new setup too. I'm actually recording on my MacBook Pro with different headphones and microphone and stuff. So, and you can actually see me. So that's going to be a change that I'm going to be doing probably for this series, because it's just easier for me to do that on here. But if you're new to the channel, essentially what I am all about is forward testing and back testing robots or algorithmic trading robots, basically on the MT4 terminal and MT5 terminals, so MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and seeing how they go. But this is a whole different kettle of fish, and I thought I'd open the channel up to not only trading just with like the MetaTrader terminals, and we can have a look at trading cryptocurrency, which is what I've done in the past. And I had mixed results in the past because I didn't really know what I was doing too much. It was all really new to me, and yeah, I just thought I'd like to introduce this concept to the channel, because yeah, it's if we're trading crypto, if we're trading forex, we can only do that 24/5. With cryptocurrency, you can do that 24/7. And in this video, I'm just going to be showing two platforms, and one platform I actually have live right now, which is what we're looking at currently. So the first platform we're going to be looking at is called 3Commas. And essentially what you do is, if you have an account on Binance, what you do is you set up an API, and you allow 3Commas to connect through your to your Binance account through an API. There's a whole heap of videos on that, but I'm not going to do that in this one. This is just basically an introduction video, and I'm going to be showing you these two platforms, and just get a gauge on how many of you, of my audience, would be interested in me focusing on an entirely different style of trading with robots. So I think this is really exciting, and the future is definitely cryptocurrency. I have been dabbling in cryptocurrency since 2017 myself, and yeah, I really wanted to see how you would all think about the channel evolving into cryptocurrency trading as well. So let's have a quick look at 3Commas, and then we'll have a quick look at the other one, which is here, and the other one here is called Cryptohopper. So Cryptohopper was the first one, the first robot that cryptocurrency robot that I got started trading with. And basically, long story short, I came out about break even. I didn't lose any money, and I didn't make any money. I just came out break even, and the reason being was that I didn't really have that much deposit to play with. And if we have a look at just quickly at the pricing here, which is probably a little bit different, but they have a free package, an explorer package, an adventurer, and a hero. So I think I was on the explorer package, and I was paying around about $19 a month. You can pay yearly if you want to. You can do yearly, which makes it a little bit cheaper. But basically, yeah, basically I was started on Explorer, and then it went to Pioneer. But for some reason, my account doesn't have Pioneer for some reason. But anyway, so this is what it's all about. So if we have a look at the differences here, so we've got Explorer, Adventurer, and Hero. So $19 a month, $49 a month, and $99 a month. And these are this is essentially what you get. So on free, you get 20 positions, portfolio management, manual trading on all available exchanges. I'll have a look at the exchanges shortly. Then you start paying, you get 80 positions. You can select 15 coins, 2 triggers, TA with 10-minute interval, 1 simulated trading bot, so I guess that's called paper trading, and you can get 7 days for free. And then you go up and up, you can get extra things. So algorithm intelligence, market making, market arbitrage, exchange arbitrage, simulated trading bot. So we can have a look at all the features. So basically, available on all exchanges, live trading terminal, portfolio management, manual trading, syncing positions, reserve positions, personal, all this stuff here. Candlesticks, open positions that you can max open positions that you can have across the different tiers. Triggers. There's no triggers. Automatic trading. Okay. So the free tier doesn't trade automatically. Right, okay. You can't backtest. Okay. Dollar cost. No dollar cost. DCA, if you're unsure of what that is, dollar cost averaging. Alright. And the following payment methods are available. So that's a big thing here as well. So you can pay PayPal, BitPay. Don't know what that is. Something there. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, Monero. There's all of these different ways you can actually pay for your subscription. So there you go. That's just a really, really quick introduction to Cryptohopper. And I'm not logged into this one right now, but we can have a look at this probably more in depth later on. But then I just wanted to show you the other one, which is called 3Commas. And I'm actually logged into my dashboard on 3Commas. I've got everything hidden so you can't see my actual balances and anything like that. But this is what you'd be looking at if you're logged in. So I had a 3-day trial period on the Pro plan, and then you can buy a subscription, but I'm not there now. Look, this is a little banner here that says receive free access to 3Commas Pro tools exclusively on FTX. The API key must be connected to your 3Commas account to receive the promo. So all you need to do there is to register an account with FTX, and you can get free access to 3Commas Pro tools. We'll have a look at that shortly. On the free plan, you can actually have $1 cost averaging bot, which I have going right now. I haven't made anything today. It's stuck in one trade, but since maybe I think it was either Wednesday or Thursday last week, I've made $22 US, and I'm risking. I think I'm risking about $230 US, and I'll go into basically how it's going. Just quickly, this video is just meant to be an introduction to trading cryptocurrency with bots. So we're going to be having a quick look here. So what this EA, or we call it EA, I'm used to saying EA, but what this robot does is it just places long trades, and it's trading the Luna USDT pair. So basically the base currency is USDT. So in my exchange on Binance, it has I have USDT, and then it trades, it buys Luna USDT. So right now it is in one active deal. It hasn't closed any trades today because Luna has gone down, which is fine. So we can have a look at the deals here. I'm not sure what it's going to show me because I have everything turned off, but so today's profit, nothing. I'm down $2.69, and we have what's called safety trades. So we have five open orders right now. We're waiting for the price to come back. So essentially what has happened here is that Luna has gone down in value, and I'm waiting for Luna to come back up. It's been buying the dips essentially, so dollar cost averaging, and we've done 5 of them right now. I've got it to do 8, so I've got 3 more deals I can do before you know, we might have to wait for a while for Luna to come back up. But yeah, so this is just, you know, I've only got one going right now. There is a marketplace, so I just want to show you here. Let me load this one up here. So this is actually like a marketplace where you can copy, so we can look at by popularity. We can have a look here, so we can copy someone else's strategy. So this is absolutely freaking amazing. So this strategy right here has made 28%, or nearly 29% in the last month. So what you do is you just click on that strategy. Sometimes it will come up with things like this, like no market data for this pair, USDT packs. So we can ignore that and copy the robot if we wanted to. I'm not going to right now, but essentially what it's going to say is this is the max amount that you need in your Binance account in USDT to trade with this this preset. So right now, basically, it's just named it USD multi-long bot. There's a whole heap of settings here, but we can have a look at how it's gone. So it's made $31 that day, $21, $20, $15, $12, $10, $14. You know, it's done $30 that day, $17. You know, we can have a look at how it's done, profitable by day. And $4 yesterday, $1 day before, 23. So some days a lot better than others, but every day has been positive. So, but you know, I don't have 1,500 USDT to play with, so I'm only trading one pair. But that just goes to show you what is capable with 3Commas. And you know, these are all, you can have a look at all tokens. We can have a look at the robots. You've got things called smart trades here, so I'm not actually going to go into that. I've shown you the marketplace and the presets. You can actually copy, and on the free subscription, you can only have one robot going. So I've got two robots, but only one is active, and then you can go up with paid ones. So let's have a quick look here. So we'll just go 3Commas, and hopefully it, oh, okay, so I have to log out. Right, can we just go to plans? Okay, so I'll just quickly show you what plans 3Commas offer. So if you want to sign up to give it a crack, you know, you got full access for 3 days, and you actually get 3 days on Pro for $49. You know, the $49.50 a month plan. You get full access for 3 days. You're going to have unlimited smart trades, unlimited DCA bots, unlimited grid options, scalper terminal, and you can do paper trading. And then after those 3 days, you go down to the free, which is actually pretty good, that it lets you have a smart trade, one DCA bot, a grid bot, an options bot, scalper terminal, but no paper trading, which is, it kind of sucks because you want to see how some go, like some strategies go. So there you have it. That just goes to show how you can trade and make money through cryptocurrency. And I think if you're looking to make money in the long term, especially you want to have a portfolio of different strategies. So the reason why I'm showing this to you guys, my awesome audience, is basically if you're just trading Forex, you're putting all your eggs in one basket. And you can trade cryptocurrency with some brokers, but most brokers, for me, only allow a limited amount of leverage. So like maybe 1 to 20 or 1 to 30, for me anyway. because I'm in Australia, and yeah, I just don't have that that amount of capital to handle the trades of and the volatility of Bitcoin, for instance. So this is actually a really good way to get started. So basically, with one currency pair, you'd want to have at least, at a bare minimum, probably 250 USDT to start. And if you're interested in that, I can show you how to set up a bot, and I'll probably have a bit more information I can share with all of you. So if you want to have a quick look, I can actually give you an invitation to 3Commas and also to Cryptohopper. I can invite you, all my friends, and it'd be absolutely awesome if anyone would like to be referred by myself. So that'd be pretty cool. I've got no one at the moment. Like, I've basically only just started this this account about a week ago. So yeah, I'm going to put both of those links in the description below. And yeah, I'd like to hear your comments on trading crypto with robots. If you've got any stories you'd like to share with me, yeah, just comment down below or hit me up in Telegram. So yeah, that pretty much rounds up this video. And yeah, I'll be doing weekly updates, or updates on how my robots are going with you all, because that's how I roll. Righto. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this different video on Optimize FX. Thanks again. See you later.